This video shows how to create custom alerts using candle patterns. I have created price action patterns for buy and sell. Also, the labels include a custom alert message. You can also customize these alert messages on your own. This is the alert message before editing. Go to the settings. These are buy and sell text. You can edit these texts as per your choice. For example, I am adding buy market algo bot. Now in the alert message they have added buy market algo bot. Now when we go to the settings, you can see that we have a alert integration option where we have many alert integrations like Simple, Discord, Telegram, Pine Connector, etc. Also we have our own, that is Market Algo bot. We can also send alerts to any third party app or to any bot. To create alerts, go to alerts and you can create the alerts from here. But make sure you select the right indicator as it may pick the different one by default. You can also create by clicking on these three dots and add alert option. This is the most recommended way as it auto picks the correct indicator. This is the symbol you are currently working on. This is the indicator on which your alerts will be formed. Here you can choose the time frame of the alerts as per your choice. This expiry option is for how much long time you want your alert to be active. Set time. Now go to messages. This message is the message that will be displayed when your alert will be triggered. You can also edit them. Go to notifications. If you want notification in the TradingView mobile app, you have to click on this notification. If you want toss notification in the TradingView itself, you have to click on this option. You will get the alert in this corner. And if you want alerts in your email, you can click on this option. Also, if you want to send any alerts on the third party app like Discord, Telegram, you can click on this option and add the webhook URL. With this option, you can also play sound when your alerts are triggered. At last, you can send any plain text to any other email. Now you can create. Now you can see that your alert is active and whenever your alert will be triggered, you will get a toss notification. Now you can see that we have got a buy alert. We'll also check in logs. Here also you can see that we have got a buy alert with all the details that we have added. Now here you can see that we have got a label and when the candle closes you will get a notification. So this is our second buy alert. So this was all about alert automations.